Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I am excited to introduce a game-changing platform that will revolutionize your teaching approach. This innovative platform is designed to empower educators with the wealth of teaching tools, lesson plans, and professional development opportunities. With a focus on technology integration, global collaboration, and critical thinking. This website offers a rich array of resources to support your teaching journey and inspire a love for learning in the classroom. This platform is completely free. Now let's try to explore it. So you can see on the screen, it is called TeachersFirst. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. The first thing you need to do is sign up. It's free. You just go to sign up. Just click on sign up and you need to write down the details. It's very simple. Just write your names and email addresses. So once you log in, you will reach on this page. If you are looking for classroom resources, you need to click here and you can browse by subjects and grade according to your requirement. You can see there is a lot of subjects are available. Classroom resources for all grades, elementary, middle school, high school. Just click, you can download. The second best part of this platform is professional learning. You can click on the professional learning and you can get a lot of resources including book club, book study, but you can choose according to your interest area. For example, if you are interested in differentiated instructions, you need to click here and then you can find some module to go through. So you can take a free training and a lot of tools are available. Believe me, this platform is saturated with lot of resources for professional learning. Similarly, you can find professional resources also. You can click on the professional resources. For example, I'm choosing differentiating and there are a lot of examples you can see and lot of links are given which can lead you for different resources. For example, let me click here. You can see that a lot of resources are available. This is really very organized and excellent workplace for all the teachers. You can download any resource and it's free of cost. So you can try, it's very user friendly. Just click and you can find a lot of useful, authentic resources. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.